Apple is set to open its first retail store in India next month, followed quickly by its second. I thought they had already done this, or maybe the last.
They launched the store, like the online store, but not an actual physical store.
Okay, so I do think that there was a moment where you and I were talking about their commitment to do so, to open physical stores in India, but I guess it's actually happening now. Yeah. The opening of Apple's first retail in India has been years in the making and has faced countless delays, according to a new report from the Economic Times. However, Apple is finally on track to open its flagship store in India sometime in April. The first Apple store in India will be located in Mumbai at the premium Geo World Drive Mall. It will come in at over 22,000 square feet and is described as a retail landmark, similar to Apple's outlets in Los Angeles, New York, Beijing, Milan, and Singapore. Shortly after the opening of the first store in Mumbai, Apple will reportedly open its second store in Delhi. This location is on track to open sometime between April and June, according to industry executives cited by the Economic Times. This store will be located in the Select City Walk Mall in Saket and will be over 10,000 square feet. So, that's interesting, about half the size of the Mumbai location. Fit-outs are completed for both the stores, a person said. In fact, the fit-out was completed for the Delhi store ahead of the Mumbai one. But since Mumbai will be the flagship Apple store in India, it will open first next month, and then the Delhi one comes soon after that. We know Apple has shifted its focus to India in a big way, not just from a retail perspective, but also from a manufacturing perspective, realizes the scale and opportunity in that particular market, and wants to be a part of it. They've historically not represented an enormous market share in India, and I can see why they would imagine that would eventually be a huge problem. And so the time is now to start to make a dent in that market in a retail way.